Myself, Dr. M. Saranya, Assistant Professor of BB Department. Now I am going to present a topic on the performance of public enterprises in India. The performance of public enterprises in India has been a mix of success and challenges. Public sector enterprises play a significant role in India's economy, contributing to industrial development, employment generation, and economic stability. However, their efficiency and profitability has been subject of debate. First one is contribution of public enterprise in India. These things are the public enterprises of India: economic growth, employment generation, infrastructure development, revenue generation. Economic growth. Public enterprises contribute significantly to India's GDP, particularly in sectors like energy, mining, steel, telecommunications, and transport. As of recent year, their total contribution to GDP has remained substantial, though private sector growth has outpaced them in many industries. Next one is employment generation. Public enterprises provide direct and indirect employment to millions of people. However, with increasing privatization and automation, employment in public sector has been declining. Infrastructure development. Public enterprises have played a crucial role in infrastructure like power, roads, railway, and oil and gas. They have been instrumental in supporting industrialization and rural development. Revenue generation. Public sector contributes significantly to the government revenue through taxes, dividends, and proceeds. Next one is challenges faced by public enterprises. These things are the challenges. First one is low profitability and losses. Second one is bureaucratic inefficiency. Third one is increasing competition from private sector. Next one is disinvestment and privatization. First one is low profitability and loss. Many public sector suffer from inefficiency, high cost, and poor financial management. Several laws making public sector require government bailout to contribute operations. Next one is bureaucratic inefficiencies. Decision making in public enterprises is often slow due to excessive bureaucratic controls. Political interferences affect operational efficiency. Next one is increasing competition from public private sector. Liberalization and privatization have led to stiff competition from private companies, which are often more agile and efficient. Many public sectors struggle to adapt to market-driven business models. Next one is disinvestment and privatization. The government has been progressively disinvesting in public sector, reducing state ownership in many sectors. Privatization has improved efficiency in some cases, but has also led to concern about employment and monopolistic practices. Next one is notable successful public enterprises. Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Next one is National Thermal Power Corporation. Next one is Steel Authority of India, State Bank of India. Indian Oil Corporation, a leading player in the petroleum sector. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, major power equipment manufacturer. Next one is National Thermal Power Corporation, a key player in power generation. Next one is Steel Authority of India, a significant contributor to India's steel industry. Next one is State Bank of India, one of the largest public sector bank competing well with the private banks. Next, we are going to see about the futures of public enterprises in India. The first one is strategic disinvestment. Second one is efficiency improvement. Next one is public-private partnership. The strategic disinvestment. The government is focusing on privatizing on strategic public sector while retaining control over key sector like defense and railways. Next one is efficiency improvement. Measures like performance-linked incentives, modernization, and digital transformations are being implemented. Next one is public-private partnership. Collaborations with private entities to improve efficiency and financial viability. Next, we are going to see about the conclusions. Public enterprises in India have been instrumental in shaping the economy, but face challenges related to efficiency, competition, and financial sustainability. Strategic reforms, technological advancement, and better management practices are needed to improve their performance and long-term viability. These things are the public enterprises in India. Thank you.